going. Oh, that's a pig. No. Next cast. Oh my. Let's go. Oh, that was horrible. There's a fish. Is that your rod? Yeah. Are you using the B-bomb? No, like your Texas Rig Senko. Let me grab you. Let me grab you. Alright. Darn it, I hicked him in the gill. These are the toughest. Oh, popped right out. Sweet. Probably a nice 2-pounder off that yum dinger and watermelon. Let's let him go.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, thank you. Ah. Oh my. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Fish just annihilated that thing. Oh my god, guys. Oh, almost pulled my rods into the water. Got one, Joe. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, Joe, this is the winner right here. I hope. Oh yeah, I think that's a 3-pounder. Oh, yeah. Yeah, off the jig. A jig. Yeah. Yeah, this could be a winner. I don't have them hooked that good, so I'm kind of playing them out. Oh yeah. Darn. I got it. He just shook out of my hand. Okay, watch out. I'll get him. It's just. Oh, yes. Yes, that's a winner.
Think so?
Yes, for sure. Look at that, guys. Nice little bluegill pattern jig right there. And he wanted it. I just casted it up on that bank and reeled up my line, and next thing I know, it's way down. He just took off with it. Alright. Let's go. 2.7 here, show it up to the camera. Make sure I got it on camera.
Here, I'll take a picture.
2.78, guys.
Yeah.
That's the leading fish right now for a little tournament we got going on. Thank you, Big Mama. Swim free. Ooh, Noah is dethroned. What are your thoughts on this, Noah? Give us a little feedback.
There's a bigger fish out here.
Got one. There we go. Oh, it's a pig. Yeah, it's a pig. It's a pig. Oh no, he's not gonna beat it though. It's alright, you can keep fishing. Another fish off this jig right here. Kind of in a weird position here, but ooh, got him. Let's go. Another nice fish off the jig, guys. Again, it's pre-spawn right now, and all these fish are really shallow. I just threw up right here against this bank, and that's right where he was, so. Nice fish. Chunky one. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Oh, there's a bite. There's one. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, he's running. I mean, yeah, obviously. Oh, ooh. Oh, I didn't even get a look at him. This could be a good one. Yeah, it could be a good one. I didn't really get to see him. Oh, I think this could be really big. Hold on, here, watch out. Oh yeah.
Want me to land him?
No, I got him. Here, just watch out for the right, because I'm gonna bring him over here on the right. Yeah, I think, okay. I'm pretty sure this is a big fish. Whew. Oh yeah, that's another 3. Oh no, that's bigger.
Want me to land him?
Oh no, I got him. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, not as big as I thought at all, but still a nice one. Here, let's get he could beat my other one. Another good one off that jig. Oh, check this out. He's got a little black spot on him right there. Usually bigger bass have that. That's cool. All right. Here. Is it zeroed?
Yeah. $1.86.
No, that can't be
Oh, it's
right.
in the water partially. Yeah.
That can't be right.
Yeah. Wait, hit. 1 second. Alright.
I was about to say, that's not a 1.86. Can't be. 2.67. Alright, sweet.
Yeah, it was in the water, John.
Fucking stuck him. Stuck him, baby. Oh, I almost got it.
There
we
you go.
That's how you do it. Here, watch out. Let me. Alright, nice fish. Yeah, off that same jig. Once I went to that jig, my fish size just went up a ton. Alright, so here he goes. See you, buddy. Oh, damn, missed one right there. Oh, there we go, got him that time. Oh, that's a small one. Hey, you know what they say, a jig catches big fish, so it's proven to be true right here. Going to the pumper. Stay down.